Hello, thank you for downloading the code to add a text breakdown to the Kajabi checkout page. So this is how the Kajabi checkout page will look once you have added the text breakdown code here. Okay, so this is the name of the Kajabi product. This is the price for it. Here you can edit this with tax, VAT or GST as you want, and here you can edit the price of the tax. Okay, and this is the total price of the checkout page. Now let's just refresh this page, and this is the default checkout page provided by the Kajabi. Okay, so let's start with adding the code. The first thing you need to do is create a checkout page with the price included tax. Okay, so if your checkout page pricing is $100 and you want to add the tax of $30, then make sure your checkout page price is $130, so it includes tax too. Okay, once this is done, then you will need to copy the code from the files which you have downloaded. Now just go to the download section and open the file CSS code. Copy the code from CSS code file, go in Kajabi, go in settings, click on checkout settings, scroll down, then go to checkout tracking code, click on add header tracking code and paste the code from CSS code file inside this. Make sure the code start with the style tag. Okay, just paste it as it is. Okay, so the next step is to copy the another code from the next file, which is script code file. Okay, open the script code file and copy the code from that file. Then again go to settings, then checkout settings, scroll down, and now we will be adding footer tracking code. Click on add footer tracking code here and paste the code from script code file here. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to make some changes in this code. Okay, first thing, we need to change this code. Okay, so you have created the checkout page already. Open that checkout page, and inside the link, the URL, you will find this code after the offer. You can see this code. Just copy it from here and then paste it inside the double quotes. Okay, then the next thing we will be doing is changing the name. At first I have shown you the name of the product, which was Kajabi website template. You can change it as you want. Okay, like if I want to keep it as a test, so I will keep it as a test. Okay, now the second thing is you need to change the pricing here. Okay, like here I have added 119 as the main price. Then on the second part here you can see the tax one. Here I have added the tax price. Okay, that's it. These are the two things you need to change: the tax one and the name of the product and the price of the product. Let's say I save this. Now just refresh the checkout page. Now you will see the product name has been changed. If you want to change this and this, we can change. Okay, let's say we will change the pricing to, here it is 119. Let's say we will change it to 118. And for the tax, instead of tax we can say it is VAT. And just scroll to the right, you will find here to change the tax price. Let's see, we will make it $12 and I will save it. Now once you come here and refresh the page, you will see the price is now 118, VAT is $12 and the total price is $130. So you just need to make sure that whenever you will be creating a checkout page, the pricing should include your product price and the tax price. Okay, so this is your checkout page pricing, and this price and the VAT or tax price we can adjust it from the code. Okay, so last time this code you can get it from the URL. Then product title, here you need to change the product title as you want. Okay, then if you scroll to the right, you will see the pricing for the product here. Okay, it is 118, you can change it accordingly. Then here you will see the tax, GST or VAT if you want to change it like that, and here it will be the pricing for the tax. That's it, this changes you need to do. Okay, and you can see this is how your checkout page will look. Let me know if this code works for you. Of course it will work, and if you have any issues with the code, or if you need any help regarding this, then you can let me know in comments, or you can reach out to me via email.